The main ground in this writ petition raised by the petitioner is that the academic testimonials, certificates of drawing master of respondents 5 to 17 are forged and bogus, but the official respondents 1 to 4 are failing in their statutory duty to verify its correctness or otherwise from the concerned quarter first. The official respondents shall clearly understand that it is their statutory duty to ensure that no person enter into any institution as an employee through means of bogus and forged certificates. Thus, they are required to verify the same exhaustively through proper channels the testimonials of the said respondents first. With the above observation, this petition stands disposed of first. Impugned herein are the judgments of DDO R. Peshawar and that of Senior Member Board of Revenue first. The former allowed an application for partition which was given number as 29 and thereafter impugned mutation bearing number 42 was attested on 26 November 1991 first. The petitioners filed review petition for setting aside the said mutation, and during the proceedings original file bearing number 29 could not be traced out. However, the application was dismissed on the ground of limitation first. This judgment was reversed by the Revenue Appellate Court. However, through the impugned judgment dated 14 October 2009, the learned Senior Member Board of Revenue reversed the judgment of the Revenue Appellate Court and restored that of the DDO R. Peshawar on the same ground of limitation first. As in this case there is factual controversy contentious in nature which would require recording of evidence, and that process cannot be adopted in writ jurisdiction, and when the petitioners have a statutory right to challenge these orders before the civil court, then that would be appropriate remedy for the petitioners under the law, and the civil court after recording evidence would reach at proper conclusion as to whether the order was in fact obtained and the mutation was based on that order or not. First up, with these observations, this petition stands disposed of accordingly. First up.